at him and go, ow!
Did you go for the jugular?
He went for the collarbone or something. Is that taping? Oh my god! Right here. Oh, he's in my window.
You might make it on Science Talk video. I wouldn't win.
Ow.
Got you good, huh? What's up?
It stings. He's gonna jump on my face! Don't nibble my hair. Can he not nibble on my hair? I think he's hungry for flesh.
Oh,
He is. Ow! I'm not food! Stop!
Maybe he needs to be.
Do you want food?
Bad.
I've got food upstairs.
You're ridiculous tonight.
I can feel all of his scratch marks on my arm.
Come here.
He just wants a bite.
I don't want you to have a bite.
He did have a bite.
Of you. And of me, actually.
Aw, kisses.
Why does he call these sugar glider anyway?
They like sugary foods and they glide.
Alright.
Oh no. Oh,
Lauren?
Perfect.
Again. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is like wings actually come out. Did you see it?
I don't know. It just happened so fast you can't really pay attention.
He like hops up. So cute.
Like
Maybe it's like too. Why do you like my head?
Oh, he's definitely chewing right now.
I know, that's what he's doing with my head too. Because like when you try to get him out of your hair, he just pulls the hair out. Don't do that again. Get on camera.
What's that right now?
He doesn't like it.
I tried to play with him a little bit today. He didn't play with it. Hang on.
I need to be taller so you can climb higher. What? Do you like hanging upside down?
No. I really feel like I'm about to get jumped.
I'm about to get jumped.
Stay over here. He needs to calm down.
He's gonna bite me. Sit still. Be a good boy.
It's hungry.
Well, here. You take this.
No.
Apple time. You're not gonna jump on now. Oh yeah, oh here. Why not? It's fun.
He smells funny.
Oh, you're like, you like clean stuff.
Yeah. Or at least stuff that's not gonna get all over.
Yeah, he'll probably bite my face right now.
And he hasn't pooped yet, so maybe he might poop on you.
That's another thing.
Actually, I'd rather be pooped on than peed on, because, like,
Yeah,
it's harder to get out. Oh, what's that?
He's gonna mount out. Mount out.
You good? You want more?
It's like a bird.
No, that's not really... You need to go back and get the rest. I brought down applesauce. I didn't know if you would eat that since you like apples.
I didn't notice he almost
Can
had
you
like
open it?
thumbs. This is crazy.
Yeah, he has like 5 fingers.
Can you open this?
Okay. So how do I turn this off?
See, open this and see, and we'll put
Oh,
it
you
up
want
and
me-
see if you like it.
Picture taken button probably.
Is that what I do?
Yeah.
I'm not.